Hey folks, today is April the 2nd. It's currently 9 o'clock in the morning. My 2-minute chart just started ticking along here. And the 300 tick chart. Let's get back here a little bit. Market was going short for most of the morning, and then around 7:30 it bounced back up here, as you can see. Trying to see if the market has been respecting the nodes at all this morning. This one didn't get hit. This one did. Market bounced down off of it. But I wouldn't have taken that trade because it's not wide enough. Here again, not wide enough. And we have this trade here. Market didn't really respect the node there. But I would have entered that with 2 contracts and then entered this one with 2 contracts. Market would have came down and filled me at 96 or so. And first take profit would have been hit right there. Alright, we'll just continue watching here. Hopefully the market won't just continue to go sideways like it's been doing the last few days. At least for the morning part that I trade, it's been doing that a lot of the time. Alright, I'll go ahead and pause it, and I'll be back on the first opportunity. Alright guys, we have a potential setup here. You can see the oscillators above the 0 point, so we're looking for a long. We just made a higher high right here, made another higher high. So we're going to look to buy at this level.
Order pending.
If the market comes back down to it. As you can see here on the 2-minute chart, the high volume node is beneath us at 49.08. So it's right here. Looking at the 120-minute as well. On the 30-minute, we're pushing into a sell zone. And we have this low volume node at 49.46. So we might run into some problems at that level. But we'll just wait and see if we get filled. I'll be back with you guys shortly. Alright guys, somebody just pulled up my driveway, so I'm going to have to cancel this. Have to take care of this
Order canceled.
little bit of business real quick. So I will be back with you guys once I get that handled. Alright folks, I'm back here. 9:21. Didn't take too long. We have a selling zone here.
Order pending.
As you can see, we're now underneath the high volume node, and also on the 2-minute chart we have this selling zone here as well. Looking at my other charts, we look good for a short. Alright, so if the market comes back up to fill us, I will be back with you guys then. Alright guys, I just remember something that the vendor said. And that is, when you first sign on here, check and see if the market has respected the nodes. Because if they've respected the nodes earlier on, that means they'll most likely respect them later on in the day. So as I've gone through here, I've seen a couple times where the market basically just bounced right through my nodes here. One being right here. Market just shot right through it. And of course this one, it bounced around and then came back down lower. Here, market went right through it. So there have been several levels where the market did not respect the low volume nodes. I think I might just focus on the scalp prints today, because even this one here, if I would have kept my order in on this one. You guys saw the market pretty much just shot right through it. 49.05. Yep, my stop would have been right there. So I think today I'm just going to focus on my scalp prints. Looks like we're about to cross back into long territory here anyway. If we get a short, or if we take a short, it's going to be from the scalp, I believe. Alright, be back once we get our first print today. Alright guys, we just got this scalp print here. We'll just have to wait and see if it gets filled or not. And this is a scalp print coming out of a sell zone. So that's a pretty good sign if we get filled.
Order filled.
Alright, just got entered into the trade. Now we'll just be patient here and see what happens. Hopefully this sell zone will continue to act as resistance for us, push us down to our first profit target at least. As you guys can see, the market isn't really making huge moves right now. It's just kind of bouncing up and down sideways. Yeah, I really don't like these huge bars that are pushing us really close to our stop and then pushing us right back to the break-even level. Yeah, it's almost as if the market is deciding right now if it wants to jump up or jump down. And if it does decide to jump down, I figure it'll be a large jump. Same way if it wants to jump up here. And honestly, if we get back down here, I might just go ahead and jump out of this trade with a small profit if I can get one, because this is not the type of market I want to be in for too long here. We do have that high volume node here, but that's at 48.82, which is down here. So hopefully we'll be able to at least get that first take profit hit. I'm hoping the market shouldn't have too much of an issue coming down a couple ticks here, at least 3 ticks. So I can go ahead and get us to break even here, since I'm not sure what the market's going to be doing. because this is pretty dangerous right now. Definitely don't like this.
Target filled.
Alright guys, and you know what, let's go ahead and just do that. If we get stopped out, we just get stopped out.
Stop filled.
Alright, very small take profit there. The reason I did that, as I said, the market is just literally going sideways. Up, down, up, down, up, down. And I have no earthly idea which direction it's going to break out in. I could get lucky and the market break out in my direction, or I could be wrong and the market shoots up here to my stop. It's not something I'm willing to risk. I'm not trying to be lucky here. Alright, let me go ahead and pause it, and hopefully we'll get another print after the market is able to bust down. I'd say at least through this level, or either up past this level here. Alright guys, just wanted you to see this. Looks like I made the right decision. As you can see here, the market came right back up here, and that would have hit our stop right there. So pays to be a little bit cautious sometimes. Alright, I'll be back on the next print. Alright guys, we just got a print right up into this sell zone here. Not sure if the market's even going to push up enough to fill us here. But according to my rules, I'm not taking any trades that are pushing directly into sell zones, as we're doing here. We'll see if market comes back up. Alright, so that was that. Wouldn't have been filled on it anyway. We have about a couple more minutes here. We'll see if we get anything worth taking. If not, perfectly fine. Just call it a day. Sometimes the market's not going to give us what we need. If that's the case, we'll just wait until tomorrow. Alright, I'll be back shortly. Alright guys, that's going to be it for me. I've been waiting for another scalp print here. As you can see, we did get one of these kind of caramel colored or brown colored prints, and we also got one of these blueprints here. I thought the blueprints were high volume node prints, but that can't be the case. So let's see what these blue ones are. Alright, high volume node zone trades. So that would have given us a nice push down in this instance here. Alright, that's going to be it for today. Hopefully tomorrow will be better. Alright, see you guys then.